Do you want to unfollow someone on Facebook? You can unfollow people or friends on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To unfollow someone on Facebook. First, open the Facebook application on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the search icon at the top and enter the name of the person you want to unfollow. Now, tap on the name of the friend to open the profile. Once on their profile page, locate the Following or Friends button. Once found, tap on it. Now a pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the menu, select Unfollow to stop seeing their posts in your feed without unfriending them. Now, your Facebook feed will no longer show posts from this person, but you can still visit their profile manually if needed.